Let's find out how to download TikTok video without watermark. If you have found a video on TikTok that you want to download, but don't want it to show the little watermark on the left side of the screen, then you have come across the right video. Today we will show you how to download videos from TikTok without the watermark, so follow the method and make sure you watch the entire video to get all the steps right. The method is the same for both iPhone and Android devices. First, open up your TikTok app and find the video you want to download, where I will just choose this one. Go and click the little share button in the bottom right corner. If you look at the bottom, you see the Save Video tab. If you click that, your video will be saved to your device, so try and do that. Now if we go into our photo gallery, you can see that the video has the little watermark in the left side of the screen. Therefore, go back to TikTok and click the share button again, but this time click on the copy link option and open up your web browser. Go to the website I'm on right now called Snaptic. Here you will need to paste the link you copied from TikTok and click on download. Now click the first option, which is download again, and a pop-up will appear where you will have to click download again. A little blue icon will now appear to the left of the browser tab, so if you open that you will see that it says downloads, which you will need to go ahead and click. In the downloads, click on the video you just downloaded and click on the share button you see in the bottom left corner. If you scroll down a little, you can see the save video option, so click on that. Now if you open up your photo gallery, the video should be downloaded without the watermark. That is how you download TikTok videos without the watermark. If this helped you figuring out your problem, be sure to leave a comment and also make sure to watch the other relevant videos that you see on the screen. Thanks for watching.